What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Chespin from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw the nose. We're going to start with the top edge. So start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up the middle and we'll bend that back down on the right. Now from the ends we want to curve the nose coming down and then in towards the center of our page. Go out and back up on the right. Now I want to move out to the side and draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of the oval, and then back up towards the top. Let's draw that same size oval on the right side. So we're going to line up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's push the pupils towards the inside of the eye. So on the left side, you draw a smaller oval, going all the way around, and then back in. Now I want to fill the outside of the eyes in black. Now from here we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Directly underneath the left eye, we're going to draw a curve that goes up just underneath the nose and then back down towards the right. Let's go back to the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth, going down and then up. Let's add a tooth in the center, so starting on the left, bend this down and up towards the right. And we'll draw the tongue along the bottom, starting back on the left, go up, and then bend that down. Now from here we're going to move out and draw the inside edge of the head. On the left side, just underneath the mouth, so we go all the way around, almost like drawing an oval, go up and in towards the center, and go all the way around the right side, come down, and then in. Let's add that point in the center of the head, so start in the middle, curve this out and up toward the left, and then the right side. Let's move out to the side of the head, angle this down and in, and angle that down and out. Now from here we draw the outside edge of the head. Let's start back on the bottom, left, going out, go a little bit further, come around, and just bend that in. And place two large leaves on top. On the left side, let's step down, go out, and then bend that up. And then from the tip, we bend this around, and then pull that back down. Now we want to close off the top of the head, starting from the left side, then it's up in the middle, go across, and then down. Now there's three leaves along the center of the head, so we go all the way up towards the top, start with a point. Now I'm going to draw the left side, going out, down, and then in just on top of the head, go back up to the top, curve it around the right side, and then back in. Let's add two more leaves on either side, starting on the left, going up, and then out. And then we'll come down and bend that in on top of the head. Let's add two small leaves along the bottom of the head, starting on the left, go around and then down. Let's line this up on the right side. And then from the tip, we're going to curve in and then up. Now let's work our way down the body. From the bottom corner of the head, curve the body going out, round out the hips, and just bend that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now in between the hips, let's move to the center and add a curve, going up and then down. I'm going to leave a small gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve the heel coming in round out the foot, and then bend that out. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's go back over towards the left side, round out the toe, go up, and just tuck that in behind the side of the body. Let's separate the foot with a curve, coming in and all the way down. And then we'll separate the toes with one curve, starting from the tip, go up, and then in towards that line. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. We start from the top of the body, then the arm going out, and then down. Let's round out the hand, come in, and just tuck that up towards the side of the body. Now you want to separate the fingers with two curves. We're going to start on the outside, go up and in, step down, and draw that again. Now let's add the tail coming out from the left side. Starting from the side of the body, bend this down and then out. Pull this back in towards the side of the foot. I'm going to separate the tip with a curve. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Chespin from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.